What's up everyone? Welcome to eCPU. Today we have a massive cloth gaming mousepad that offers up more than enough surface area for even the lowest sensitivity gamers. It's the Corsair MM300 Extended Edition. Check this out. The MM300 belongs to a family of premium gaming mousepads that are designed and crafted by Corsair. The MM300 Extended Edition, believe it or not, is not the biggest one in the group. That title goes to the MM350 Extended Edition that offers up a little bit of extra depth and also thickness. This one measures 930 millimeters long, 300 millimeters deep, and just 3 millimeters thick. It's so big that it's likely going to take up a significant portion of your desk space, and there's enough room to actually fit a full-size gaming keyboard and still have enough room next to it for your gaming mouse if you want to set it up and use it that way. The mousepad comes rolled up and packed tightly inside of a small rectangular cardboard box. When you unbox it and roll it out for the first time, it does seem to flatten itself out fairly quickly and easily, which is nice to see because there's nothing worse than a mousepad that won't sit flat on your desk. And I've seen that happen a lot in the past with other mousepads. And let me tell you, it's the worst. This thing is gigantic. It's big, it's bold, and it stands out. Corsair opted for an aggressive, rugged type of styling that sort of resembles a weathered or worn concrete or steel type of material. It looks pretty awesome, but at the same time, it just screams gamer, and therefore might look a little out of place in an office environment or pretty much anywhere except right in front of a gaming PC. The entire outer edge is stitched for added durability. If I'm going to use a cloth mousepad, it's going to be one with stitched edges because I don't want to be dealing with frayed edges or even worse, the surface layer peeling off from the material beneath. Have you ever had that happen? I have, and it sucks. Underneath, the MM300 features a nice rubber anti-slip surface, and it seems to work pretty well because I didn't notice any unwanted movement while gaming. The tracking surface is smooth, uniform, and soft to the touch, and it feels quite comfortable when you rest your hand or wrist on it despite being only 3 millimeters thick. Although it is a cloth surface, it is a very low friction cloth surface and allows for very quick and low resistance mouse movements. It's not as quick as a hard surface, but it is impressively fast for a cloth mousepad. I am currently gaming with a Logitech G903 Lightspeed wireless mouse. The G903 tracked flawlessly over the surface of the MM300 at all times and at all of the different DPI settings that I tested. Overall, this indicates that this is a high-quality gaming surface capable of delivering consistent performance. Now, for all of you low sensitivity FPS gamers out there, myself included, prepare to never run out of mousepad ever again. This thing is so big that depending on how you have it set up and the length of your arms, you may not even be able to reach both ends of it. It is just that big, and if that doesn't instill confidence, I don't know what does. In my opinion, this is a must-have for low sensitivity gaming. The only drawback that I was able to notice during my testing was that the relatively narrow depth of 300 millimeters means that your mouse might actually reach the front or back edges when making certain mouse movements. But if that concerns you, Corsair does make a slightly bigger version called the MM350 that I mentioned earlier in this video. That one offers a depth of 400 millimeters, a thickness of 5 millimeters, and the length remains the same at 930 millimeters. Bigger may not always be better, but when it comes to gaming mousepads, I would definitely argue that it is. With its aggressive styling, stitched edges, low friction yet precise tracking surface, and utterly massive surface area, the MM300 Extended Edition from Corsair is exactly what a gaming mousepad should be. The MSRP is $30 US, but this thing's been out on the market for a while, so look out for deals. It frequently sells on Amazon for about $20 US, which is an amazing deal for what you're getting. And if you're a little worried about that relatively narrow 300 millimeter depth, make sure you check out the MM350 that offers up a little bit of extra depth and thickness. The purchasing links for both of these are going to be in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.